Hi, and thanks for tuning in to this demonstration video for TerraGo Cloud Drive for administrators. In this demo video, we'll be going over some of the Cloud Drive monitoring and auditing capabilities that's built in within the Cloud Drive tool. Mainly, we're going to go over three types of functions. The first is looking at the system dashboard, which will give you a quick glance of the metrics of Cloud Drive for your organization. Then we will look at how do we go and acquire access logs and audit logs for compliance reasons. So first we will go into the admin portal by going through the dashboard on the top right here. So once it's loaded, in the very first page, you'll actually be able to access the dashboard of your Cloud Drive environment. So if you just quickly open up the dashboard here that's shown, you'll see that right away the number of devices that are connected to the Cloud Drive. So these would be devices that are connecting through the desktop agent or the mobile app. That'll all show up in this section. Next, you'll get a quick glance of the storage that you have available in the environment, as well as how much it's been used up. You also get a quick glance of in terms of number of users that's been created. Once you've used the Cloud Drive tool for a little bit longer, there'll actually be visual graphics which shows you your usage patterns as well. And those are pretty much kind of the main functionalities that you can use in the dashboard. So next, we're going to go demonstrate how do you go about leveraging some of the auditing capabilities of Cloud Drive. So on the left navigation menu, where you want to go is click on Logs and Alerts, and specifically go into the Event Log tab. So here there are two main areas of interest where a system administrator may want to go and access logs for specific usage. The first one here, if you go to the topic, if you select the Access menu, this will provide the administrator with the ability to look at all of the accesses to Cloud Drive, be it through your internal customers or external customers. So for every access action that's been taken, you'll see that in terms of logging in and logging out, you'll be able to tell the date and time at which when it occurred, the specific user that accessed Cloud Drive, how they went about accessing it, whether it's through the web portal, the desktop app, or the mobile app, and also the IP address in which it was used to access Cloud Drive. So beyond the simple kind of logging in, logging out, it also tracks how users have been accessing files that has been shared through collaboration. So you notice in some of our end user demos earlier, there were some folders that were created for public files, alpha and beta company, and so you'll see that in the action of creating those share folders, these activities have been logged. And then similarly, when these contents have been accessed by external users, so in the case where we went in and accessed the link through the invitation, you'll see that when I actually went and accessed them, these are also logged as well. And it actually does capture, the specific folder and content to which the external customer has accessed. Now, of course, you would most likely need to generate a copy of all these logs for auditing and compliance purposes. And the tool actually has a very nice and handy export to Excel option in which you can grab all of these in a CSV file so that you can go ahead and format and submit in the format that it requires for your compliance requirements. Now, the other type of information that's frequently required for auditing and compliance purposes is looking at the audit logs. So in this case, the intent of the audit log is to capture some of the major changes that took place within your Cloud Drive environment portal. So these could include things such as administrator going in and changing some policies to the Cloud Drive, or it could be users going in and adding collaboration content to the site. So in this example here, you'll see that based on my previous administration demo, I went ahead and applied some custom security policies pertaining to the needs of my organization. So you see that in terms of changing the collaboration or cloud drive or even the custom password policies. All of these updates have been logged in the audit log. Scroll it down a little bit, you'll see that in terms of content that has been created by users, these are also events that are logged in the audit logs as well. And then going down further, even going back to the first step to when you're setting up your admin portals for the first time, things like creating user plans and end users for your portal are also logged in the audit event log. And similar to the access ones, there is a handy export to Excel function that allows you to easily export these into a CSV file. So that concludes kind of the 3 common cases in which the administrator would need the capabilities to go and monitor and audit the events that's happening in Cloud Drive.